Optimizing security and efficiency is a delicate balance act in the context of mass transit travel. SeeTrue's game-changing AI-powered screening software optimizes security, passenger throughput, and operational efficiency, improving safety and overall effectiveness. Using advanced algorithms, SeeTrue's software analyzes X-ray and CT images to detect potential threats in just sub-second. By leveraging state-of-the-art technology, SeeTrue identifies and pinpoints the exact location of any prohibited item. The system has been instrumental in helping mass transit facilities improve their security and guarantee a pleasant commuter experience while ensuring the maximal throughput. Embrace the revolution in safety and efficient screening with SeeTrue, AI for fast and secure screening.